In this video, I will be showing you how to build a fully functional chess game using Deepseek AI with just a single prompt. Let's get started. I begin by opening my browser to Deepseek and clicking on the message input field. I type in a detailed prompt, asking the AI to create a complete, playable chess game as a single HTML file containing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I specify that it needs a modern responsive design, a fully functional chessboard, drag and drop piece movement, legal move validation, indicators for turns, move history, check and checkmate detection, pawn promotion, casting, a restart button, and a clean user interface. Finally, I make sure to request that all code is contained in one single file so I can easily save and run it. I hit the send button to submit the prompt. Deepseek begins processing the request and quickly generates a complete HTML document. I can see the structure taking shape, starting with the document declaration, metadata, and the header. Next, the AI writes the CSS styles that will give our chess game a modern look, setting up a dark linear gradient background and configuring the chessboard layout. As the code scrolls, we see the styling for the individual square colors, responsive layouts, check indicators, buttons, and the overall UI wrapper. Then, the AI begins writing the core JavaScript game logic. It defines the chess pieces, sets up the initial board configuration, and creates references to the DOM elements. It implements essential functions such as turn indicators, move history tracking, game state updates, and legal move generation. I scroll back up to the top of the code window and click on the Run button in the upper right corner of the HTML container. This immediately opens a preview pane showcasing a beautifully designed, modern chessboard labeled Chess Modern Play. Now, let's test the gameplay. I click and drag my white pawn forward 2 squares to start the match. The interface updates to indicate it is now black's turn. I move the black pawn forward in response, and we see the move history start to log at the bottom. Next, I advance my white knight toward the center of the board. The game runs smoothly as we alternate turns, moving pawns, developing pieces, and advancing knights. And that is how easily you can generate and run a complete chess game with Deepseek using just one prompt. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.